Hello everyone. I thought I would make a quick video showing the removal of the buck of the latest Ogilite Model 3. Quite happy with the way it turned out. Just move in a little bit. I had left or put the other sidewall in place, but it popped out when the roof of the buck fell down. So there's nothing supporting it right now except the trailer itself. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, it's actually quite strong, even though nothing is holding it up. So I'm quite happy with the adhesion and the strength, considering I'm using the white styrofoam, which is a lot weaker than XPS styrofoam. This is EPS, or expanded polystyrene. What I'm doing now is dragging the buck out of here, and it will be put in storage in the other shed over here so I can get it out of the way, because it does take up a lot of room. At any rate, another thing I wanted to mention is I made the sidewalls out of 1.5 inch thick styrofoam. I did that because I thought, or I actually know, that this will eliminate any condensation on the sidewalls. What happened in the other two trailers was, if you didn't have a lot of air movement inside the trailer, and say you threw a coat on the bed, what would happen is when you took the coat off the bed in the morning, you would notice a little bit of condensation on the sidewall. Nothing anywhere else, but I thought, why not make the sidewalls a little thicker, a little better insulation, and eliminate that minor bit of condensation. And the condensation can't affect anything anyway. There's nothing in this trailer that can rot. But why not make it a little better insulated for winter camping? And considering that I'm using the white styrofoam, it's EPS is a lot cheaper than XPS. This is going to work out quite well. Make it better without costing any more money. Anyway, I gotta get back at it. So that's the birthing process of the shell of the next Ogilite Model 3. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.